Hello YouTube and welcome to a 360 video by 360 Guys. It is good to have all of you virtual tourists along for this amazing video. We are here in Toronto and standing on King Street. Looking ahead, you can see one of Toronto's most iconic buildings, the First Canadian Place. Towering 72 stories above Toronto's financial district, First Canadian Place has remained unrivaled as Canada's tallest business landmark since 1975. It was the 8th tallest building in the world at the time of its completion. It was also the tallest building in the world outside of Chicago and New York at that time. 16 radio station broadcasters have their transmitters atop of this building. The top floor of this building stands at the height of 951 feet. The architectural height is a little over 978, and that number jumps to 1,165 feet if you measure all the way to the tip. The building size is a whopping 2,831,143 square feet, of which 2,381,131 square feet is office space. A little under 230,000 square feet is retail space, and a little over 158,000 square feet of parking, which can fit just under 1,000 cars. Typical floor size in this building is about 31,000 square feet. The 72 floors of this building, plus the 4 underground floors, are served by 61 elevators and lifts. This building is owned by the Brookfield Office Properties and was wholly renovated in 2012. The building houses the global operational HQ for Bank of Montreal, and it was initially called the First Bank Building. Now, turn around. Go on. See these 3 buildings? They are part of a 7-building complex called the Toronto Dominion Centre. The construction of this complex began in 1967, and the last of the buildings was finished in 1991. It is the global HQ for its anchor tenant, the Toronto Dominion Bank. These buildings are owned by Cadillac Fairview. The tallest of the buildings is the one you see right in front of you. It was built first and was completed in 1967. It is called TD Bank Tower. Very creative naming, no? It has 56 floors and stands at just over 730 feet. This building to the right is, drumroll, TD North Tower, another amazingly creative name. It was finished in 1969 and has 46 floors, standing at 600 feet. This building to the left is the smallest of them all and was completed in 1991. It has just 31 floors and is just shy of 440 feet. And this here is TD's main branch. It is actually somewhat of an architectural marvel. Inside, you see marble, English oak, and granite. It's just gorgeous. Well, hope you enjoyed the tour. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you find yourself in our video, make sure to comment below. We're giving out prizes. Alternatively, if you are in the video and do not wish to be shown, we will gladly blur you out. Just let us know in the comments, and of course, timestamp will definitely help. Remember that these videos are best enjoyed with VR headsets, and if you don't have one, click on our affiliate link in the description. It will help our channel. You can also enjoy this video with natural sounds by following the link in the video description. Make sure to check our channel regularly, as we will be posting at least one new video every week.